This is a smart door lock called L200. When installing the smart door lock, you don't need to replace the lock board at all, and do not need to drill holes in the door. Installation is so simple and convenient. Users can DIY. Now we are performing simulated installation on the display stand, which is pre-installed with a European standard Mortise lock. Let's open the menu and follow the steps in the menu to install this lock. This is the exterior unit. It includes fingerprint module, passcode keyboard, restart button, jump start, and spare key holes. Now, let's check the interior unit. Open the battery cover and install 4AA battery. After completing the installation, scan the QR code on the package, download the app, and follow the instruction of the app to pair the handle to use. The app has a clear interface and powerful functions, in addition to one-button unlocking function. It also has the following functions: remote invite and manage other users. Add fingerprints and passcode. Automatically generate a 5-minute valid passcode and a 1-day valid passcode. Unlocking history query. Real-time battery display. Smart door lock mute function. After the setting is completed, it's ready for using. You can directly turn the thumb lever to lock or unlock the door from inside. Lock from outside. Turn the thumb lever. Unlock from outside. Input correct access right. Then turn the thumb lever within 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it enters idling state. Currently, there are 6 ways to unlock the door. Mobile app, fingerprint, set passcode, 5-minute valid passcode, 1-day valid passcode, and mechanical spare keys. All passcodes support the smart code function. The lock has a unique clutch structure, simple operation and stable performance. The slight deformation of the door has no effect on the normal locking and unlocking. Thank you.